If you want to use a USB microphone for crystal clear voice recording while listening through a wireless headset, you've come to the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a USB microphone and a wireless headset together on your computer and make sure both devices work properly. So the first thing that you need to do is connect your USB microphone. Start by plugging your USB microphone into an available USB port on your computer. Once connected, wait a few seconds for your operating system to recognize and install the necessary drivers automatically. Because most modern USB microphones are plug and play, so no additional software is usually required. And then you can verify the connection by opening your sound settings and checking whether the microphone appears in the list of input devices, and then remember to connect your wireless headset. Next, power on your wireless headset. If your headset uses Bluetooth, place it in pairing mode and connect it through your computer's Bluetooth settings. If it uses a USB wireless receiver or dongle, plug the receiver into a USB port and wait for the headset to connect automatically. After pairing is complete, confirm the audio from computer is playing through the headset. And of course, you don't forget to set the USB microphone as your input device. Now open your computer sound settings, navigate to the input section and locate your USB microphone. Select the USB microphone as the default recording device. This ensures your voice will be captured through the microphone instead of the headset's built-in mic. And then you can test the microphone by speaking into it and watching the input level meter respond. And then you need to set the wireless headset as your output device. Next, find the output section in your sound settings. Select your wireless headset as the default playback device. This directs all the computer audio, including games, videos, music, and calls through the headset while keeping the USB microphone dedicated to recording your voice. Now, the most important part is to configure your applications. Many applications have their own audio settings. Open the settings menu in your recording software, streaming software, video conferencing app, or game. For the microphone source, select your USB microphone. For the speaker or audio output device, select your wireless headset. This ensures the software uses the correct devices even if your system settings change. And of course, do not forget to test both devices together. Before starting your recording session or meeting, perform a quick test. Speak into the USB microphone and verify that your voice is being detected. At the same time, play a video or audio file and make sure you can hear it clearly through the wireless headset. If both are working simultaneously, your setup is ready to go. Now remember, if your microphone isn't detected, try reconnecting it to a different USB port. If the wireless headset doesn't appear, disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth connection or wireless receiver. Make sure neither device is muted in your system sound settings. Updating your other drivers can also help resolve compatibility issues. By using the USB microphone as your input device and the wireless headset as your output device, you can enjoy better audio quality for meetings, streaming, gaming, and content creation. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.